Okay, so we have a little DIY. Wow. We have a little DIY project today. It's kind of like just a real small, simple one, but it's something just like cute that I was working on for it's like for a kids room, I guess. Yeah, it would be better for like a kids room, but let me show you what I'm working on. So for this, you're going to need a frame, any kind of frame, it doesn't matter. I got this from the Dollar Tree. All of these supplies are from the Dollar Tree. So this is just a little frame. I'm going to take this little area out. So you're going to just get any kind of frame from anywhere you choose. You might have one around your house, Walmart, wherever. So I'm not, actually doesn't need the scissors, but, and then just any kind of construction paper or like, you can do craft paper or like scrapbooking paper. But I just found this at the Dollar Tree as well. It's just a pack of different color construction paper, lightweight. So basically what I'm going to do is put this in the back instead and replace that. And then I found these. There's like a little wall decor stuff at the Dollar Tree as well. You can get these at Walmart, Dollar General, wherever, wherever is convenient for you. But basically I got this unicorns one. And I'm probably going to end up making 2 frames with the unicorns one because it came with a lot. But this is just a test, and everything here was just $3. But I made another one, so times 2, $6. Times 2, $6 is what I'm talking about. This, so what I'm going to do is basically, I'm going to do the pink for the unicorn. Put this in the back. You're going to take the glass out. I Windex it down for the fingerprints. And then basically you just do the stickers. Let me show you. I made the Spider-Man one earlier. How cute is that? It's just a little cute. I mean, you can add as much or as little stickers as you'd like. But I figured that was good since they're all like big. And this is for like a boy's room, I think. I don't know if I like those two there, but you know what? It's okay because it doesn't matter. It's your creativity. But this only costs $3 to make this entire thing. So I mean that's pretty good. I mean, just to hang it, it's going to be hung up in our kid's room or like put on a desktop or whatever. I mean, that's pretty cute. But basically, I open the frame, take this out because I don't need that. The little glass insert I'm going to take out. And you see it has like a little fingerprints and stuff from the store. I'm just going to Windex that down really quick. Okay, perfect. So I was trying to decide between the pink and the yellow, but these have a lot of yellow in them. There's a lot of pink here too, but there's like a ton of yellow. So it might clash with, well, actually, I don't know. It looks good on the yellow. We'll see. Well, after I do the stickers, then we'll figure out which backing I like better. So basically, you're going to take your glass, you're going to Windex it down, and then you're going to just take the stickers however you like. Up and down style, but actually it might look cute that way too, the unicorn. Actually, this one would have looked cute that way too. Interesting. So I'm going to have to try to do this again because it had a lot of cute little things there for like the wall decor area, and it's only $1 and you get 2 pages. So, I mean, you can't beat it. And this one right here is super adorable, so I think I'm going to use this one first. And these are actually a little different than the Spider-Man ones. The Spider-Man ones are like cling. So you just basically got to figure out where you would like this. I think I want it like towards the bottom, like in the corner. That would be super cute right there. And then you just got to put it where you want it. Press it down. Try to not get any air bubbles if you can prevent it. Oh my goodness, how cute. So you're just going to continue until you're happy with, like I said, you can go as full or as light as you would like. Sorry, my ceiling fan right there. So basically I was trying to say you can go as full or as light as you'd like with the stickers. And now look at this. Like, I know it's like super full with all the unicorns, but how adorable is this? Oh my god. I feel like it's missing like one little thing like right here. But it is so adorable. Like, I just cannot. I love it. I think actually it is missing like one little thing. I think, that one's a little big. Let's see if I can move this diamond. Move the diamond up. And let's put the star on first and see what. Oh yeah, I like that better. Okay, yeah, I like that better than the diamond. Kind of fills the gap more than the little diamond. Throw the diamond over here. Just to not waste it, you know, since I already unstuck it. But how about that? That is too cute. I don't know about you guys, but that was a cute, simple, very simple project. And let's see. So should it go with the pink or the yellow? Ooh, actually looks really good on the yellow. Let's take a look. Pink or yellow? Initially was going to go with pink, but I'm thinking this yellow is like, it makes it pop more, I think. Because the pink is like a duller pink. Let's see. Oh, yes, I like the yellow. The yellow makes it pop. The yellow or the pink. Let's see. I don't know. They're both so cute. I just can't. I don't know. For some reason, I feel like the yellow makes it pop more. Yeah. Yeah, that's really cute. Let me box it up, and I'll show you the finished project. And oh my god, look at that. I think I like this one more than the last one. Oh my god, that's so cute. Only one thing, I wish I would have put this up here a little bit more. But you know what? It's okay. It can't be perfect. Like, I just love it. I think it's so cute. And I think she's going to love it too. I think her mom's going to love it. I made these for kids. Obviously, this is for a girl. The Spider-Man one's for a boy. But I'm very happy with how they turned out. I'm going to have to try other ones and do the frame this way. And see what happens. I have more unicorn stickers, so I just need more frames. But I'm very pleased with these little DIY projects. I just wanted to share with you guys some little simple tips for a gift you can make. Christmas is coming up. And very cheap gifts for kids' rooms. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, just hit up the Dollar Tree. You can find all kinds of goodies. They have little ones with sayings. They have like llamas, unicorns. They have Transformers, Spider-Man. I saw Marvel, Captain Marvel. They have Avengers. They had all kinds of stuff. Just get you some craft paper or like, I think it'd be cute with like some scrapbooking paper like from Hobby Lobby with the designs on it on the back. I think that would be really cute as well. But I was just trying to pick up what I could at the Dollar Tree just to show you guys a little $3 project. So both of these, I mean, they cost $6. I mean, how can you beat it? That was such a steal. And I have plenty left over, so I can do it again. And the construction paper. So I would only need to buy the frames for the next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye!